Action. I would like to introduce the new Rover 76. You can see the button. This is for the second row. This is for the third row. You push here and push here. You can see the second row 6 down and up, and you can see the second row 6 up. And now the back press. You can see this. You can see this. You can see this. Two, three. Up. And this is the chairs. This is backrest is very strong. You want to push down, you need to push two button, rest button. And also this one. And go down. And this is the second chair. Backrest very strong. You can see very strong backrest. And also you want to get down, you need to push this button. And also this button. Press down and down. And the third one, you can push up and back with the second. You can see. Yes. No spare wheel or in the Range Rover 76. You see, this is air compressor. Check down. Where the power from this one. Yes. And this is the button. And push the button. Add air to pressure to the valve, to the tire. You can see very strong. Attention please. This power needs to turn on the engine 7 mode. If not turn on the engine, there no power supply here. DC power supply. You can see this one. You see, push this. What is this side? And turn down, and turn down. And secondly, add this one to the tire and turn on. You see, one connect here, lock Y, and one side, open this and push down and turn. You see, one connect to the tire valve, one here, rest down, and turn on the button, and the liquid will form here, will roll here, as to the tire. In some case, you just see the one and the second. The third one will go down and cannot press. So you just to open this. You cannot open the down side. So the tip E, you see, yes, the yellow button here, press right up, strongly. You can see. You can see. And you can push here. Yes. That is the tip. But attention, there are 3. 1, 2, and 3. Thank you for your attention. Hope to see you in next video. Bye bye. Thank you. My name Hugh. Thank you for your attention. Hope to see you in next video.